Am I a fan?
Yeah.
Well, my dog's name is Kato. What does that tell you?
I don't know what that means. What's a
so.
Bruce Lee movie you recommend?
Enter the Dragon, Fists of Fury, Big Boss.
Nowhere. Apparently we could have driven up here, but we walked. They buried him here because he graduated high school here.
Went to college.
He lived here for 5 years. He met his future wife here and they got married here. His family considered this his home and this is where they wanted to bury him.
So the inside scoop from some locals is that this is one of the best views of Seattle. So we're here. This is awesome.
Oh no, I can't do it that fast. He wore himself out.
That's a lot of stairs, man. Oh, it's like maybe there's gonna be a flat section, but
Nope.
no, they keep going. This is tight.
How did we get turned around where we're on this side?
That's dope. We were down on that side. She's lost. This is my navigator too. We're the only ones here, so this one really is a hidden gem, huh?
Yep. Volunteer Park.
Here shortly, we're gonna head to downtown Seattle. So Andrea's getting dressed in the van. We've not been through there yet. We've been in the area for about a month. It's finally winding to an end. We're still deciding if we want to Uber or if we want to ride some Lime scooters. It was recommended that we take the Lime scooters, but I don't know if Andrea's really feeling that. So we're gonna head out here shortly. All right, that's us. We're out. We out. They know what's going on, I don't. I'm just doing what everyone else is doing so I don't get ran over. A Washington one or a Seattle one? That one? They're killing it.
I really enjoyed that.
They're going places.
Oh, yeah.
Not just the fish market.
Had to go shipped anywhere to U.S. folks.
Okay, Kevin, which flowers would you pick out for me? I'm not going to buy any because they won't last and there's no point in the mat.
Probably those, because they're modest and pretty. Thank you. And they match what you're wearing, actually.
Kind of do.
Yeah. Oh, that is the grossest thing I've ever seen. Oh, now people are just leaving coffee cups down here. I expected some kind of aroma. I guess it does kind of smell like the dumpster out back of a produce section, but yeah, this is, if you want to see the grossest thing ever, come check this out. Oh, that is so gross.
It does feel a little like, sticky, nasty.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's all the way up there. Just show that.
Yeah, it goes all the way up 100 yards. Oh, that's so gross, dude. I mean, oh God, it's so nasty. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad you talked me out of smashing gum onto this wall. I might have caught hepatitis. I think it's mostly just a bunch of old crud. Where you at, lady? Get over here, we're filming. Well, we walked the whole entire pier, and now we're waiting on an Uber to take us where?
We're going to the Amazon skiers.
Ooh.
If you never heard of them, now you have.
All right, well, we'll see you there. Because we gotta wait for our Uber for like 20 minutes probably. What, you finding candles and such?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need a candle for the van.
Do we? Trying to burn the van down? What'd you order, lady?
Some enchiladas, pork enchiladas.
Nice. I'm getting carne asada burrito. Obviously. Walking around this much, I'm a big boy, I gotta eat.
We just finished lunch.
And it was good.
It was really good. And now we're walking over to the Pop Culture Museum, and I'm way into pop culture. That's like what sticks in my mind. Nothing else really does except for pop culture.
She watches the Kardashians.
I just have always been interested in celebrities. A lot of people are. But I can tell you who's been married to who, what actor is in what movie.
You're all up in everyone's business. This should be fun. I don't even know what's gonna be there. Music and style, and I don't even know, but we'll see what's there.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm mildly excited, not as much as her, but yeah, we got about a 15-minute walk, and we're just enjoying the city at this point. This is stuff I've only ever seen in movies.
Like Sleepless in Seattle.
Well, thanks to my phone, we just walked 6 blocks in the wrong direction, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we're almost there. Have a look.
I know everything about Batman.
Did you know that this was the first bat suit with nipples?
No, did you just read that?
No, I knew it already. So we ended up taking Lime scooters all the way back. That took about an hour, slow as heck.
And it was kind of fun to kind of ride through the city. If you're going on a trip to Seattle, we did like the few touristy things. Overall, I think we spent like $170. We paid for the pop museum. The rides alone, I think, cost like $60 total. We're not very far, and to get there and around where we went, you're just spending a lot.
It's fun.
It's a fun day.
Yeah.
And that's why we did it, because it is a fun day.
Well, it's a new day. We're at UW because apparently it's a spectacle to behold. This is some national treasure crap.
It's like Harry Potter crap.
This is like, I went to a tech school and this is way cooler crap.
Let me get down there.
Yeah, that's how you do it.